Hi everyone, Alex here. Here's the second attempt to integrating WarpFusion into ComfyUI. So let's take a look at what's new. As you can see, we still have the frame dataset node here. So we have to extract our frames in a folder and specify it here. This node loads current and previous frame. So for the first frame, it just returns the first frame twice. So let's run it and see what we get. So here we have the same frame. Because it's zero frame, optical flow and consistency maps will be like no motion and full consistency. Here's the consistency mixer node, which recreates the behavior that's present in the WarpFusion collab notebook. So it has the same settings: blur, dilate. This one is forcing it to be binary mask instead of grayscale, and the multipliers for the weights. So as you can see here, that's a new node, which setups the output and input paths for stylized frames. So we render frames, save them here, and we take them from here when we iterate through the frames. So this node sets the largest side of the image of the frame, and here's the frame number. So as you can see, it's being incremented each run, so we can loop through all the frames just by clicking Q prompt. So what's new here? We have extracted our optical flow, and here it's a node that loads stylized frames, because for the first frame the stylized previous frame does not exist. We provide some init image which will be used as init image for the first frame, which is just like current frame, zero frame. So it just returns raw video frame. We run it through diffusion and we get output. So this is like the first frame rendered. Then it is saved to the folder which we provided here. And this node also will load the frames from this node, from this path. So it will, for the next frame, if we click Q prompt, it will load this node as the next frame's init image. So click it. As you can see, here are the previous and the next frame from the raw video. Consistency mask is different now. So as you can see, we loaded the previous frame, we warped it, applied consistency mask here, and we fed it into our diffusion for the next frame. So you can see the frame is different, and it lets you make the whole loop. So you can just iterate and it will loop through all your frames. Right now it doesn't save the video, just save them into this folder here. So I hope you liked. As you can see, I'm using some blurs, control nets here, but you can as well avoid this just for demo purpose. Okay, I guess that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.